Hello everyone, so excited to share with you guys on how I apply my lashes today. A couple of you guys have asked me, Jazz, how do you apply your lashes? I wish I could wear lashes. How do you do it? So I wanted to take this moment to share with you guys a little technique and method that I use to apply my lashes with the hopes that it'll help you apply your lashes a little better. To be honest, I didn't always know how to wear false lashes. I used to have to ask my friends to apply it for me, and I used to be so intimidated by it that I wouldn't wear them. However, I've mastered a technique that works for me, and I can't wait to share it with you guys. So let's get started. Okay, let's get started. So today I am going to be wearing these Wonderlust lashes. They're 3D mink lashes by Wonderlust LA. You can follow them on Instagram. They have amazing 3D lashes. If you like a lot of drama, I recommend going and checking them out. So for starters, you're gonna need a pair of tweezers, your eyelash glue of your choice. For me, I am going to be using 30-second quick glue today because I just like to use that glue for sometimes. I also like to use clear eyelash glue, but I'm actually out of my eyelash glue, so I'm going to use that instead. Okay, so I get my lash and I immediately check to see if the sizing is right. Now, sometimes with lashes, you can be intimidated, but you have to think about the size of your lid. So if I put this up here and it doesn't fit right, if there's any excess, then that's when I need to go in with scissors and cut it to shape my eye, my personal eyelid. Same for you. If you have a smaller lid, you may want to cut it to trim it, you know, just so that it can fit perfectly, because what you don't want to have is excess lash kind of hanging and saying hi to people. That's not cute. Okay, so once you've customized the shape to your lid, you then apply the glue. Okay, so now I'm just going to apply very little glue to the strip, and this is what I'm doing. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like here in a second. So I've applied glue. You see that? You see that? Perfect. Awesome. So I've applied glue with my tweezers. And now I'm just going to take my tweezer like so. And I like to grab it in the center of the lash. See where I'm holding it? Right there. Okay? Okay. So I have already applied mascara. I prefer to apply mascara to my lash before applying the falsie. Some people apply the falsie, then they apply the mascara. Whatever your preference is, applying the mascara for me works best for me though, okay? So I usually like to shake it around. I like to blow it to dry it quicker. Then I just go in and I apply it to the center. I line it up like I showed you guys before. And I make sure that the middle part is connected. See how quick that was? Then I go in with my finger and connect the sides and the edges, just holding it down. Hold it down, and then you connect your lash with the falsies. You just press on it together, and voila, magic. Left side's done. Then I repeat that step for the other side. Take the lash, apply a little glue to the center, apply it, and I'm just applying this to the actual band. Not to the hairs, but to the band. And if it gets on a piece of hair, just clean it off, but put it only on the actual band part, like that. Okay, like so. Exhibit A. Okay, take your tweezers, tweeze the middle of the lash like so, And then you go in on this side, and you go right to the center. It may help if you close your eye a little bit, Jasmine, and you attach it. And then you squeeze the center, you squeeze the edges, you press down, press. I feel like my finger's too big to show you this properly. Finger is all in the way. But ta-da! Lashes are applied. And yeah, they're on there. Now some people, depending on the look you're going for, will then add a little bit more eyeliner. I'm going for more of just like a cute, quick date night, maybe a first date. So I don't want to be too heavy on the drama with adding liner because the lash is already dramatic enough. So I will probably then just go in, reapply or touch up my lipstick. Give it a little freshness. And add a little gloss, my Fenty gloss, like so. And baby, you popping. Oh, popping, like Cardi would say, popping, popping. All right. I hope you enjoyed this video on how to apply lashes. If you have any questions, let me know. But don't be overwhelmed. I think the trick is, and the key to success is, start in the center and then connect the edges. Okay? Use your tweezers. Don't get overwhelmed by trying to start on the edge and go all the way. Like, no, just do the center and connect. Okay? All right, guys. Let me know if you like the video or if you would like to see me do any other tutorials, and I will be happy to help you. All right, that's it for now. Have a great day. Be happy, be safe, and see you next time. Peace.